Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a flowchart in PowerPoint step by step in 2025. First, open PowerPoint and your presentation. If you don't have one, start a new presentation and make sure you have enough space for your flowchart. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click Smart Art. In the Smart Art gallery, select the Process category. Here, choose a flowchart template that fits your process or idea, then click OK. PowerPoint will add the flowchart structure to your slide automatically. Now customize your flowchart by clicking into each text box and replacing the placeholder text with your own steps or phases. To add an extra phase, click the last text box and press Enter. Adjust the shapes, colors, or layout as needed to make it clear and visually appealing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.